Have you ever shared a final version of a document only to have someone make an accidental change that throws everything off? Maybe it's a critical formula in a spreadsheet, a perfectly worded paragraph in a report, or a master template that's not supposed to be touched. It's a common frustration, but what if I told you there's a simple, built-in Google Drive feature that can prevent this forever? Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your files, making them completely read-only and giving you total peace of mind. Hi, it's Anna from For Real. We've all been there. You've just finalized a major report, a shared project budget, or a master template that everyone on your team is supposed to copy, not edit. You share it, and 5 minutes later, someone has accidentally deleted a paragraph or changed a critical number. It's frustrating, and it can create a lot of extra work. But what if you could put a temporary freeze on any file? That's exactly what Google Drive's lock feature does. It makes the file completely read-only for everyone, including you, until you decide to unlock it. It's the perfect way to protect a final version. One quick note, this feature is only available on the Google Drive website, not the mobile app, so make sure you're on a computer for this. Now for a quick bit of trivia, did you know that when Google Drive first launched in 2012, it only offered 5 gigabytes of free storage? Today it offers 15 gigabytes, triple the original amount, shared across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. It's amazing how much our digital lives have grown. All right, trivia over. Let's get that file locked down. Okay, step 1 is simple. Open your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that owns the file you want to lock. Next, find the file you want to secure. You can scroll through your main drive, use the search bar at the top, or navigate through your folders. In this example, I'm going to lock this Excel spreadsheet that I don't want my team to change. Once you've found your file, don't open it. Instead, move your cursor to the far right of the files row. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More Actions menu. Go ahead and click it. A drop-down menu with a bunch of options will appear. Time for a little tech history. Did you know that Google Drive's original internal code name was Platypus? It's a bit of a strange name for a cloud storage service, but it shows that even the biggest tech products can have quirky beginnings. All right, trivia over. Let's get that file locked down. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a huge favor and click that like button below. It really helps the channel and lets me know I'm making useful content for you. Okay, back to the menu. In this menu, look for the option that says File Information. When you hover over it, a second submenu will pop out. At the bottom of that new menu, you'll see the magic button, Lock. Click it. Google will ask you to confirm. A pop-up window will appear saying, Lock the file. It explains that this will prevent anyone from editing or commenting. This is exactly what we want, so go ahead and click the blue Lock button to confirm. And just like that, you'll see a small padlock icon appear right next to the file name. Your file is now secure. So when is this most useful? I use it all the time for 3 main things. First, for final versions of reports or contracts before they are officially submitted. Second, for master templates that I want people to make a copy of, not edit directly. And third, for archiving old project files that should no longer be changed. It's a simple way to protect the integrity of your work. Of course, what is locked can be unlocked. If you need to make changes again, just follow the exact same steps. Click the 3 dots, go to File Information, and where it said Lock before, it will now say Unlock. Click that, confirm in the pop-up, and the padlock will disappear. It's that easy to regain editing access. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to lock and unlock any file in Google Drive. No more accidental edits, no more frustration, just peace of mind knowing your important documents are safe and sound. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for more tips from For Real. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other Google Drive feature should I cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.